As a data scientist, my role in the AI stack is crucial. I work in the data and compute plus foundation layers, where I analyze data to uncover valuable insights. Data pre-processing is where the magic begins. I use my strong analytical skills to collect and clean the data, making sure it's ready for analysis. This step is vital because garbage in equals garbage out. Next comes model training. I apply my expertise in statistical programming languages like R and Python to build models that can learn from the data. It's like teaching a computer to think. But it's not just about qualifications. It's about experience too. I've got a master's degree in statistics or computer science, and I've honed my skills in machine learning techniques. I know how to make the most of the data to create powerful AI solutions. So, if you're looking for someone who can dive deep into data, analyze it, and train models that can make sense of it all, look no further. I'm the data scientist you need. Remember, data is the fuel, and I'm the one who knows how to make it burn bright. Let's unlock the power of AI together.